Hello students, today we are going to discuss about molecular weights of substances. Molecular weight is taken as the number of times that one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1 by 12 the weight of carbon 12 atom. This is taken as the number of times that one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1 by 12 the weight of C12 atom. You know 1 by 12 of C12 atom. I repeat once again. The number of times that one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1 by 12 of weight of C12 atom. This is taken as molecular weight. Simply we take as MW. This is also defined as this is the mass of Avogadro number of molecules. Or this is mass of 1 mole molecules which is taken in AMU. Okay, now we are going to calculate the molecular weight of substances. Molecular weight is also taken as it is the sum of atomic weights of atoms present in one molecule of a substance. In simple words, molecular weight is the sum of atomic weights of a substance present in a molecule. Now example, molecular weight of HCl. This is nothing but atomic weight of hydrogen atom, atomic weight of chlorine. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 AMU, atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5 AMU, collectively 36.5 AMU. So molecular weight is the sum of atomic mass units. That's why the units for molecular weight are again AMU. Molecular weight of water. Water has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. 2 times atomic weight of hydrogen plus 1 time atomic weight of oxygen. 2 into 1 AMU plus 1 into 16 AMU. On simplification we get 2 plus 16 equal to 18 AMU is the molecular weight of water. I repeat once again. Molecular weight is the sum of atomic weights of atoms present in one molecule of a substance. Molecular weight of HCl is atomic weight of hydrogen plus atomic weight of chlorine. You know hydrogen atomic weight 1 AMU, atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. The summation is 36.5. Similarly, molecular weight of water is 2 times 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. 2 times atomic weight of hydrogen plus 1 time atomic weight of oxygen. 2 into 1 AMU plus 1 into 16 AMU. Totally is 18 AMU. 18 AMU. Now If the molecular weight is expressed in grams, then it is called gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight is what? Molecular weight taken in grams. Molecular weight taken in grams. That means AMU are replaced by grams. If AMU are replaced by grams or molecular weight is expressed in grams, then it is called gram molecular weight. Or this is the sum of gram atomic weights of atoms. Gram atomic weights of atoms present in one molecule. This is also known as mass of Avogadro number of molecules. Mass of Avogadro number of molecules expressed in grams, taken in grams, or this is nothing but mass of 1 mole substance. Mass of 1 mole substance taken in grams, which is taken in grams. I repeat once again. How can we take gram molecular weight? Gram molecular weight is nothing but the molecular weight expressed in grams. It is equal to the gram atomic weights of atoms present in one molecule, or this is the mass of Avogadro number of molecules expressed in grams, or this is the mass of 1 mole substance expressed in grams. Mass of 1 mole substance expressed in grams. This is the gram molecular weight. Now gram molecular weight is later known as molar mass. This is also known as molar mass. Gram molecular weight is also taken as molar mass. Now we are going to calculate the gram molecular weights of substances, some substances. Now gram molecular weight, example, gram molecular weight of now we take gram molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Now this one contain 2 sodium atoms, 1 carbon atom, 3 oxygen atoms. Now we have to recall the atomic weights. Sodium number is 11. So atomic weight, gram atomic weight is 11. For odd number make double plus 1. So this is nothing but 23. Carbon number is 6. You make double because this is even number. Oxygen number 8. Even number make double. So these are the gram atomic weights. Now let us substitute 2 into gram atomic weight of sodium 23 grams, 1 into carbon 12 grams, 3 into oxygen 16 grams. 46 plus 12 plus 48, total 106 grams. This is the gram molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Gram molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Okay. Now this time we are going to find gram molecular weight of aluminum sulfate. Now what are the atoms present in aluminum sulfate? Let us take how many atoms are there. 2 aluminum atoms and 3 sulfate. Nothing but 2 aluminum plus 3 into 1 sulfur. 3 sulfur. 3 fours are 12 oxygens. You know, gram atomic weight of aluminum. Aluminum has odd number. Atomic number is 13. Odd number. make double plus 1 to get atomic weight. Sulfur number 16, even, make double. Oxygen number 8, even number, make double to get the atomic weights. Thus the atomic weights are recalled. So 2 into 27 grams, 3 into 32 grams, 12 into 16 grams. Now 54 plus 96 plus 192. On simplification we get 392. This is the gram molecular weight of aluminum sulfate. Gram molecular weight of aluminum sulfate. Now this time we are going to discuss the gram molecular weight of hydrated oxalic acid. Dihydrated oxalic acid dot 2H2O represents water of crystallization. Now in this one, this is the summation of oxalic acid and 2 water molecules, or this is also taken as 2 hydrogens, 2 carbons, 4 oxygens plus 2 into here 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now simplification, 2 into 1 or 2 hydrogens plus 2 carbon, 4 oxygens plus 4 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen. On substituting the atomic weights, we will get the gram molecular weight. On simplification we get 2 plus 24 plus 64 plus 4 plus 32. Totally we are getting 126. 126 is the gram molecular weight of dihydrated oxalic acid. Okay. Now the last one is gram molecular weight of Morse salt. Morse salt means this has the formula ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and 6 water molecules. Now this is taken as the summation of ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and 6 water molecules. If you feel the difficulty, now you calculate the molecular weight separately. Now 1 iron, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. Iron atomic weight 56, sulfur 32, 4 into 16, 56 plus 32 plus 64. So we are getting 56 plus 96 means 12, 150, 152. Here 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 fours are 8 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygens. 2 into 14 plus 8 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into that is 16. On simplification we get 28 plus 8 plus 32 plus 64. So what is the summation? Summation is nothing but that is this is 60, 68, 68, 64, 132 total I am getting. The total I am getting is 132. Now here 6 into water molecule, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, 6 into 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. So 6 into 2 plus 16, 6 into 18. So 48, 4, 108. Now on total we get the sum of these three is nothing but 392. 392 is the gram molecular weight of Morse salt. This is the clear-cut idea about finding gram molecular weight or molar masses of the substances. Thank you. Close.